wait a minute. This is boring. We need to craft this up. Coming up next. What was your favorite thing that came? Hey everyone. Hi everyone, and welcome to Turtle Creativity. On this channel, we do creative crafts, fun tutorials, and crafty talks. Does this sound like something you'll be interested in? If it does, please subscribe below. And to stay in the know, hit the bell below. I am so excited because today we're going to decorate a mug. Let's get to it. For this project, you will need one mug, your choice of vinyl, glitter, Mod Podge, a brush, alcohol, cotton balls, transfer paper, a sheet of paper, and of course, your Cricut machine and your mat. The first thing that you would need to do is to go into Design Space. After you are in Design Space, you want to click on Template and select Mug. Once you've done that, you then will need to create your design for your mug. For me, I wanted a saying on the front, which is "Let's Get Crafting," and a paintbrush on the back. Once you have created the perfect design, you're ready to make it. The next thing we're going to do is place the vinyl down on our mat. I have a piece of vinyl left over from a former project. It's always good to keep your scraps because you never know if you'll need them. Now we're going to load the mat. We're going to select vinyl. And we're going to push our flashing button. This is so exciting! I'm going to flip it over and peel it off. Next, we're going to put the next color on. And there we have it. Let's unload our mat. Oh, beautiful. Let's flip it over. Go ahead and cut out and again, this piece we're going to save for another project. Out our paintbrush, and again saving this scrap. We'll take out our weeding tool, and this has a little small piece that we're going to take out. And right here, I'm going to weed this. All right, so there's our paintbrush. Now we're ready to read out our letters. Go ahead, pull our vinyl off. And we have "Let's Get Crafting." I'm going to go ahead and take out the E, the spaces in the E, the A, and the G. All right, now we're ready for the transfer tape. So now what I'm going to do is cut a piece of transfer tape the size of my project. Once you've cut out your transfer tape, you will peel the back off, and we'll go ahead and place our transfer tape down on our image using our scraper. And there we have lifted it up. Next, we're going to go ahead and clean our mug off by taking some alcohol and rubbing it on the area that you're going to place your vinyl. Because I'm using both sides, I'm going to go ahead and clean my entire mug. We are now ready to place our paintbrush on our mug. With the scraper, I'm going to go ahead and rub it down. Very good. Once you've done it good, peel it back. There you have it. Let's go ahead and put the words down. Flipping over our mug. All right, we're going to use the same piece of transfer tape, and we're going to go ahead and pick up our letters. There we go. We have all our letters on. All right, let's place down our letters. There we have it. Let's get crafting and our paintbrush on the back. Let's glitter it up now. All right, now we're ready to apply the glitter. On my paintbrush, I am applying Mod Podge, and I'm going to paint my handle with a layer of Mod Podge. You have painted your handle. You're going to go ahead and place your handle in glitter. All right. And that is your first layer of glitter. Once you have applied your first layer, you're going to take a clean brush to brush the excess glitter off. And we're going to apply another coat. If you desire to add another layer of glitter, you can do so at this time. Once you have all of the desired layers of glitter on, you will apply one final round of Mod Podge. All right, and now we're going to set our cup down to dry. Now, our handle has dried. There's one more thing that we're going to do, and that is add glitter to the bottom. Let me show you how to do that now. All right, we're going to flip our mug over. And the mug that I'm using today, friends, is a soup mug. So for me, what I'm going to do is cut pieces of the tape to fit around the bottom. I'm going to have to do this in sections because of the shape of my mug. Okay, once you have placed the tape onto your mug, you're going to go ahead and take a brush, adding Mod Podge to your brush, and you're going to go ahead and paint the bottom layer. Once you have done that, we're going to go ahead and set our cup into the glitter. All right. What I do is peel your tape off. Taking a dry brush, brushing off the excess glitter. And there we have it. If you'd like to add another coat of glitter at the bottom, you can do so. Please make sure that when you're finished that you seal it with the last coat of Mod Podge. Well, friends, I really enjoyed making this mug today. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!